Tilly the Little Mouse. Tilly lived in a big farmhouse. She was always scared of cats because she heard cats catch mice. Tilly's house was in a small hole in the wooden floor. It was behind a big bookshelf in the living room. No one could see it. One day, Tilly was looking for food in the house. She saw a small, cute kitten playing on the rug. The kitten was playing with a soft ball. Tilly quickly hid under the sofa. Under the sofa. She looked at the kitten and thought, maybe not all cats want to catch mice. Then the ball rolled under the sofa right next to Tilly. Tilly wanted to run, but the kitten saw her. Tilly was so scared. She couldn't move. "Can you help me get my ball?" "My name is Fluffy," said the kitten with a smile. Tilly was shocked. You don't want to catch me?" she asked. "No, I don't want to catch you. I just want to play," said Fluffy. "The ball keeps going under the sofa, and I can't reach it. But you are small. You can help me." Tilly was still a little bit scared. What if it's a trick? She thought. But then she felt brave. She pushed the ball to Fluffy. Fluffy smiled. "Thank you. Do you want to play with me?" Tilly nodded. She came out from under the sofa. She was happy to have a new friend. From that day, Tilly and Fluffy played every day. They played hide and seek, and they loved playing in the garden. At night, Tilly even slept in Fluffy's warm basket. They were best friends. They did everything together. One morning, Fluffy woke up. Tilly was gone. Fluffy looked in the house. She looked in the garden, but Tilly was not there. Fluffy was very worried. Then she thought maybe Tilly went to the barn. The barn was big and dark. Fluffy ran inside and heard a soft voice. "Help me! Help me!" It was Tilly. She was caught in a mousetrap. "Oh no," cried Fluffy. "I've been looking for you all day." Fluffy was now bigger. She took a stick and pushed the trap open. Tilly pulled out her little foot. "Thank you, Fluffy," she said, and gave her a big hug. Her foot was sore, but after a few days she was okay again. Tilly never went to the big barn again. There might be more mousetraps. She was very happy to have a friend like Fluffy, a friend who never gave up. And from that day on, they stayed best friends forever.